1st May. Today marks the Labor Day, which began as a movement to honor workers who stood up against long hours and harsh conditions. It evolved from historic struggles where laborers demanded fair rights, dignity, and humane working environments. Over time, it became a global reminder of the value of hard work and the sacrifices behind every comfort we enjoy. On this Labor Day, we remember the silent hands that build our world yet remain, unseen the laborers whose sweat shapes our lives while their names are forgotten. Their struggles echo in every brick laid and every road built, carrying dreams that often go unnoticed. May we learn to honor not just their work, but their dignity, for they deserve respect not just today, but every single day. Let me quote Allama Iqbal here.
तू कादिरो आदिल है मगर तेरे जहां में हैं तल्ख बहुत बंदा मजदूर के औकात।